Hey everyone, today we're going to do a full face routine that has Botox effect, and you can do it easily in 5 minutes. Before you start, don't forget to moisturize your face. Let's start. First, fix your posture. Sit or stand tall. Then we'll start our massage with lymphatic drainage. Slide down on the sides of your neck for 30 seconds. Be gentle on the skin and do this move smoothly. Then we go to the double chin area. Massage your neck up to the double chin area. Light pressure and slide smoothly. Do this for 30 seconds. This exercise also can be helpful for lymphatic drainage. Next exercise is to lift the jowls. This exercise will also lift the whole face and the cheeks. Put your hands on your lower cheeks and hold the skin slightly upwards to prevent any wrinkles. Then try to say E as you are lifting your cheeks. Keep doing this for 30 seconds. Next exercise is for smile lines. With your index fingers, try to unfold any wrinkles on the smile lines area. Keep doing this for 30 seconds. This exercise will also lift the lips and help the upper lips to look fuller. Next move is cheeks lift. Put your hands slightly on your cheeks and start to go upwards and outwards from your nose to the ears. Keep doing this for 30 seconds. This move will sculpt and lift the cheeks and also reduce the smile lines. Next move is eye lift. Put 2 fingers on your temples and move them upwards. Keep doing this for 30 seconds. This exercise will lift the eyes and give you that cat eye look. It will also reduce the crow's feet and any wrinkles appearing in this area. Next move is eyebrow lift. Put your fingers on your brows and start to move them upwards to your scalp. Keep doing this for 30 seconds. This exercise will lift the eyebrows, reduce any wrinkles or fine lines on the forehead. It will also reduce hooded and puffy eyes. If you feel any headache, this exercise is one of the moves that can help you to reduce your headache as well. Next move is for forehead wrinkles. Put your fingers on the middle of your forehead and then move them outwards onto the temples. Keep doing this for 30 seconds. This exercise will reduce frown lines and any wrinkles appearing on the forehead. It's also helpful to reduce headache. This was it for today's routine. You can see the difference on my face. See you next one. Bye.